Hi, Redneck Garage. I wanted to update you on the install videos. As you can see, we got our switches today like we were supposed to. So we're going to open them and check them out. I want to apologize about the lighting in here. It is definitely not the greatest, and I would have started the install video, but our furnace went out and we're waiting on the furnace guy. So it is hot in here. It's like 80 degrees in here. We're gonna go ahead and open this. I do apologize about the lighting. I got a bright old LED behind us. 3,800 lumens, and it ain't making a difference. It actually did make a little bit of a difference. Here's the switches. Alright. These switches cost, one of them was $8.49, one was $9.49, and one was $9.19. They're made by MICTUNING. They're a laser, what do they call it? It's a rocker switch, but it says laser on off. I don't know what that's about, but rocker switch with jumper wire. It's a 5-pin switch, comes with a jumper wire. I'm not too sure why. Let's figure that out. But I think these are good for 20 amp, I believe it said. Yes. Wide application, standard 5-pin switch rated at 20 amp, 12 volts, and 10 amp, 24 volts. Available for upgrading most wiring harness to control LED light bar, LED work lights, fog lamps, headlamps, etc. I got the Sasquatch switch. Ah, crap. I don't know why it's doing that. Hold on. Ah, crap. There we go. I got the Sasquatch switch. I got the roof LED light bar switch. I hope you guys can see that okay. Should be able to see it pretty decent. Got it. And then I got this one. It's the stereo rocker switch. Okay, these are waterproof. Supposed to be. They got reviews down here. 4.4 out of 5 stars for these switches. They're supposed to look real nice. Let's open up one of these switches. And it comes with a wire diagram so we can see. Now, I want to talk to you about these switches. These switches say they're good for 20 amps, okay? You know, I'm going to wire up the LED light bar, and I'm going to wire up the LED whip. The whip, we'll just wire right into this switch with a fuse. No big deal, okay? The LED light bar, it comes with a relay. You definitely want a relay because it's going to be high current. So you definitely want a relay between something. Excuse me. Sorry. You definitely want a relay between something that's going to pull high current, even if these say 20 amp. Now, my amplifier, it's okay to run through this switch because we're just running the remote wire through this switch, okay? Right there's the Sasquatch. Yeah. I'm really new to this YouTube thing, ain't I? There's the Sasquatch one. It comes with this wire diagram. Hopefully you can see that. Okay. So you're going to wire this one to, that's pin 6. So you're going to wire this one to pin 6. To the battery, which is pin 2. And then we're gonna, this is a ground, this is gonna be for your light in the switch. This is gonna be the light in the switch. Okay? That's cool, it came with these little jumpers, so you don't have to make them. And then this one goes to your light. This one to ground. This one to your positive wire. This one to your positive side of your light. Let me go back through that. Pin 3 goes the positive to your light. Pin 6 and 2, which has the jumper, goes to the positive on your battery. Black, period, is ground. That's nice. That's actually pretty simple. Upper light negative. Lower light negative. Ah, this has more than one light in it. That's why it has jumpers. 2 is incoming from power source. So that'd be your battery. 3 is outgoing to relay, accessory, or equipment. 6 is lower light positive. Okay. That's cool. So it's got 2 LEDs in it. Must be one LED showing that it's off, one LED showing that it's on. I don't know. Kind of wish we had a battery to check it out, which we do out in the garage. But we'll check it out when I go to install it. Okay. We'll just leave that there. We'll talk about the quality of these switches too. I sure hope you guys can see this okay. I know I kind of focused just so you can see this. I'll zoom you in. Zoom you in a bit. How about that? This is probably going to be the same way. Let's make sure. This is the roof LED light bar. Roof LED light bar. And it is again the same way. 6 and 2, get the jumper. Three is to the light. And of course the red and black. Now guys, it doesn't matter what side you put these, as long as the jumpers is jumping where they're supposed to. Okay? The switches feel nice. They're very light. They don't feel junk. There's no name brand on them. But of course they're China. Who cares? I buy lots of cheap China stuff on Amazon. And surprisingly, the stuff lasts, you know? I do see an issue. It's mainly with quality, but not a big deal. The lights, but this is a rocker switch, so that's probably how they're all designed. I don't know. Inside there is an LED on both sides. So not only is your LED going to light up your switch, but it's going to light up around it too, which may be a good thing, may be a bad thing. I don't know. Me personally, I like the switches. I like the switches that just light up the logo. Okay? Move you back out. But I like the switches that just light up the logos. But it's okay. They're decent little switches. Not bad, not bad, not bad. And they're weatherproof. Yeah, that's a must-have. One more switch. Let's do one more switch. Then we'll talk about the product a little bit. And of course, it should be the same. Same wiring. Ooh, wait a minute. Oh, what is that? That's way different. New product, professional service. This is for a different type of switch. This is one we need. What's up, babe? You want to be on YouTube?
Oh, is that what you're doing?
That's what I'm doing.
Okay.
We're going to go pin 5 again to pin 2. Or pin 6 to pin 2, I mean. That's what we're planning on doing. And then we got pin 3, which goes to our accessory. Or on here it says to light. That's what a lot of people use these for, is lights. And then we have our jumper for the ground. And that's that. Here's the stereo one. It's got something on it. Probably some Chinese guy peed on it or something. It's gonna have lots of stuff on it by the time I'm done. You guys... Yeah, I'm hoping this... I'm using this new GoPro. So I'm trying to use the GoPro and get good video quality out of it. It is the $200 one. It's not a 4K one. But I'm just starting out on YouTube, so hopefully this thing does good. We shall see. Some of these Chinese companies, they send you a little something something in the bag. Like so much money off of another product or something like that. Let's see. Nope. Nothing. An empty sack. Go ahead and put these back in the empty sack. Keep them protected till I put them on the side-by-side. Hopefully, I wanted to do an install video tonight on the sound bar, the LED bar. But I came home to a broken air conditioning unit. We'll go ahead and talk about these lights though real quick. And don't forget guys, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll have links below as to where you can get these. These are nice toggle switches and they will fit into the pre-cut holes on your side-by-sides. Most side-by-sides have extra holes where you can put these. You just pop them plastic things out. Some of them you have to cut out. Mine, they just pop out. I don't have to cut them out. That's nice. And these fit right in. Not a problem at all. You guys see that? It's showing them inside of a car, but these are, let's see, 5-pin on-off rocker switch, single pull, single throw switch. It came along with a set of jumper wires, simple to install, can easily turn on or off the lights. I don't know how you're supposed to easily turn on or off the lights. I'm guessing the jumper switches, making the jumper switch, I don't know. Perfect appearance, built in 2 premium LED, emits cozy beam penetrating to surface cover that illuminates the patterns. No longer fumble for the switch, but clearly see it at the dark. That's funny reading these stuff from China, but it's okay. Don't knock China because they give us nice stuff at a price we can afford. Sturdy durability, made of strengthened plastic and well-conductive pins, and all patterns are etched directly onto the switch surface to ensure long-lasting durability. Wide application. 1 year quality guarantee for genuine MICTUNING 5-pin rocker switch and lifetime friendly customer service. Package included 1 5-pin rocker switch, 1 jumper wire set, and 1 diagram. Okay. Let's go read the it doesn't really say. Somewhere I seen that they were water resistant. I don't know, but I seen that's why I bought them, because they was water resistant. They look like they were, because everything looked pretty sealed up. So I don't see why they wouldn't be. And a lot of people were on here putting them on their side-by-sides and stuff. And in their Jeeps that they go mudding with. So they must not have a problem. There's really no bad views on here. I like that this switch is the same size as what's being used on side-by-sides. This is a great switch. It is very clicky. Seems durable. And it is nice that it comes with wires to help make the 5-pin work with 3 wires. It looks amazing. Remember, you need to buy the wiring as well. No, you don't need to buy any wiring for this switch. What you do need to do is probably buy the wiring for whatever you're wiring. Arrived quickly, purchased wiring harness with, and was easy to install. Might need some additional brackets. Depends on installation. Windshield and roof of the Razor. Was able to use furnace brackets. Looks great. Only took a few hours to do front and rear. Very bright. Surprised for a amount that I paid. Yeah, it has really good reviews on these switches. And you get the same old cheapy looking crap from AutoZone and all the other auto parts places, because I have some and they're actually more money. They're like $12 to $13 and they're just a basic switch. So definitely worth the money to check these out. And they have all kinds of different ones. All kinds of different ones. Let's go. Dang it, why does it keep signing me out? Let's go to the MICTUNING. MICTUNING rocker switch. Show you guys all the different ones. Let's see if I can focus this a little better. Hopefully you guys can see that better. I know the lighting kind of sucks in here. But you can do rear lights, LED light bar, winch in, winch out. Those are pretty cool. Stereo, spotlights, rock lights. They even have one that has the USB connection on it. Has 2 USBs. Sasquatch lights, which is one I bought. Lighted whip. I bought the Sasquatch light one for the whip, actually. Bumper light bar, driving lights, zombie lights. You guys just need to check these out. You really do. And this one has a voltage thing on it with the USB. That's cool. But yeah, check those out. I will have links in the description as to where you can get, you know, of course, Amazon. But use my links, please. I appreciate it. And we'll throw all kinds of links in there and whatever we can find that's cool for you guys. And I just wanted to let you know that I will be doing the install video soon. Hopefully tomorrow. We'll see if what happens with my AC, because I don't know what I gotta do. Who knows? But thanks for watching Redneck Garage. We're signing out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click the bell, and check out the links. All right, guys. Peace.